Hello there, in this video I will show you 3 ways to fix Google keeps stopping or Google not working on your Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Go to settings of your phone. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Search for Google here. Open it. Tap on Force Stop, then tap OK. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Manage Storage. Now tap on Clear All Data, then tap OK. After completing the process, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, I hope your problem will be no longer available. Method number 2. Go to settings. Tap on apps. Search for Google and open it. Tap on 3 dots, then tap on Uninstall Updates. Once it's completed, move back to the home screen and once again restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store. Tap on your profile icon here. Tap on Manage Apps and Device. Check for update. If you found any available update for your Google app, then update the application from here. And also update the Android system web view if it's available. After finishing the process, I hope your problem will be fixed. Method number 3. Open the Google app. Tap and hold on the Google app icon, then tap on Disable. After that, restart your phone. After the restart, go to settings. Scroll down and find out apps. Open it. Search for Google once again and open it. Now you need to enable the Google app from here. I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.